Hello everyone and welcome to another video where we find games or activities here in Isla Sinaloa. Right now we're going to find one here in the museum, and to actually do that we're going to need to go to the Hieroglyph room. So here we already know that this is where you can find every single block that you donate to Tariq from the pyramids, but we're going to focus actually on the table that is right here. So this one is going to give us a chance to use the Morse code master, which is going to allow us to transmit or transcribe messages using Morse code. So let's try with the first one, which is transmitting the message. Right now, the message that we need to transmit is defy the odds. However, the first one that you will find when you use this activity is going to be simply test. And let's start with that one because I already did that a couple of days ago. But I think it's actually easier than the message that we have right now. So to do test, we do have the information here to how to do it. So that's simply a long press, then a single one, 3, and then again the long press, which is just a couple of seconds. So let's go ahead and try it out. So that's, there you go. So this is the test word. Something that I really like about the Morse code master is that, and the fact that you can find this here in the museum is that it really gives you this feeling of, doing something that's almost not used anymore. So, you can get the feeling of something that was done in the past. And I think museums are actually, are supposedly to give you that feeling. So for sure you're going to get this by using the Morse code master. Now I'm going to try once, see if I can get defy the odds. It is a hard one, but if I don't get it right, I'll just go to the transcribe the message portion of the activity here. So everything is here. Let's go ahead and try it, starting with defy. There you go. All right, so we got the first word. You'll notice here that is going to add a space just by waiting. So if I let too much time pass, it's going to do that. So you need to be careful when adding words. So let's go with T. That is going to be, or the. That's going to be long press for T. Okay, this one should be easy. Actually, that's I didn't press the T long enough, and it changed it just kept moving through the H. So that's one mistake. Unfortunately, we're going to simply go to the next message or the next activity here, which is transcribing a message. Hopefully, you'll have better luck than me. So here, you can see that we're receiving a message, and we want to know what it says. It is very hard for someone that is not trained in this to get it right away, but we do have the table here explaining or giving you all the information. So let's try to get this one. So the first one is going to be four dots, so that's going to be an H. Then a single one, which is E. Then I guess dot, line, and dot. That's going to be L, and that one repeats. And then hello. All right, so that's hello. Then space. Then let's look for one that starts with the dot. I think it's W. So I'm assuming it's going to be. No, it's not welcome. It is W-O-R. Then L and D. There you go. So when you transcribe the message correctly, you're going to get this confetti, or also when you send the message correctly, you're going to get that. Now, unfortunately, or not unfortunately, but there are many things you can do here in Isla Sinaloa, plus you're getting moons. You can only receive and transmit one message per day. So right now, we already did this. We cannot do it again. but we can still try to get the other one right. So that's something you can keep trying. I think it's an interesting challenge for sure. So I really hope that you take some time to try this one out. Like I said, you can find this in the museum and then just try to get it right. And one plus is that you'll be getting the knowledge of learning to send messages in Morse code or transmitting those as well, which I think is very cool and definitely something that not a lot of people know how to do these days. So I really hope that you find this useful. Give it a try, and I'll see you again in another video. But until then, goodbye.